Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because it is Memorial Day and it is a beautiful day outside. We've been having so much rain in our area that today we are so excited that it is not raining, and I don't think that we're supposed to get any rain today. And so we have decided to spend the day barbecuing outside, clearing off our patio, doing a refresh. Just a lot. We're going to be busy today, and so I wanted to start out with showing you guys how we refresh our back patio. And if you're interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. But I will mention, guys, that you will see me in this same outfit in a couple of videos because I'm going to be filming throughout the day. And so you might see this look again, so just know that everything was filmed in one day and then separated out into separate videos. Alrighty guys, I'm so excited to show you guys what we've been working on, so keep watching. Okay guys, so it's a busy Memorial Day. My husband's over there barbecuing. My little guy right here is kind of getting in the way. And then, so we've cleared off our patio here. Everything that was up here except the table. And we've put everything out in the yard, as you can see. We've been having so much rain. Hi. We've been having so much rain that today it's finally clear enough for us to do some work out here. So we've pulled everything off our patio. And we are going to spray the porch down. And then this will give me an opportunity to decorate our patio the way I want it. All of these toys back here, my toddler used to play with, he has outgrown it now, and so we are going to donate all of those. And I don't know if you guys can see, the ground is still pretty wet, but that's okay. It's not raining, so we're going to get some work done, and I want to spray off all of my cushions so that I can either recover them or reuse them. But alrighty guys, let me get to work. Okay guys, so our patio has come together nicely. I'm so excited to have it all cleared off, and yeah, I'm just excited to have it all together. I created a little sitting area out there in the yard with the Adirondack chairs that I got from Aldi. And if you guys are interested in seeing that video when I haul those chairs, then I will link that in the iCards above. Also, the plant back there is was also a plant that I got from Lowe's in their clearance section, this mandevilla back there. And so yeah, just a quaint little seating area. Eventually we will, I did buy a gazebo from Aldi that was on clearance just the other day, and I'll show that to you guys when we're ready to put it up. But we're probably going to put the gazebo out here, back here in this corner of our backyard, so you can see that there. And then I have our little toddler's table with his umbrella from when we were in Michigan and saw the Blue Angels air show. So that's his umbrella on his little picnic table. So I think that turned out cute. And so then I'll pan back around here so you can see the dining space again. And as you can see in the background, that's where I am planning to put my she shed whenever I get it. But I plan to have a shed right back there in that corner. And then I'll plant flower beds all around it, and it's going to be so lovely, but not there yet. So at any rate, I'll pan around this way so you can see this side of the porch. I have my bar cart all set up there, and if you guys are interested in seeing the video where I show how I styled this bar cart, then I will link that in the iCards above as well. And I have my little welcome sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I was so excited to find that. It's such a great quality for $1. And I'll pan over here because I put one of my ferns that I also got from Lowe's. No, I got the ferns from Kroger's. They were on clearance also, so I did pick that up. So I have one there and one here on a shepherd's hook. In the background, the kids' basketball goal is back there. And so then I'll pan around here. That's the yard space again. And then the other Boston fern is there. And then I have one over here in a planter. So now to this table. I'm going to put this tablescape together, but I wanted to show you guys all of the items that I'll be using. And so as I move in a bit closer here, I'll share with you guys, I got these little galvanized napkin rings from Target last spring. They came 6 to a pack, and they were $3. So I got 2 packs of those. These are some like heavy duty napkins, that paper napkins that I got from Costco. And I have these plates. Let me show you this one. This teal plates I purchased from the Dollar Tree during the fall, this past fall. They're probably reading kind of blue on camera, but they're a teal color. And I have in the under the plate a doily from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using these pizza trays as my chargers. So I thought those were so cute. I have some glasses back here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. In this little container here is plasticware that I'll be using for out here. These 2 little topiaries, I've had them for quite a while. They're usually in my house on my fireplace, but I brought them out here and they're always in these little white flower pots. So I just set the white pots inside of these little galvanized pots that I got from the Dollar Tree that says flowers and gardens on it. More of my plates here, more doilies here, because these are I'm gonna use this size doily as my coasters for my glasses. I have these little tea light candles here because I'm probably gonna put a couple of little lights in that. I'm not sure just yet. I have this bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's plastic because I'm going to put these lemons that I got from Ross in here in that bowl. And I just got these not too long ago also, and they were $5.99. And guys, these lemons look so real. I mean, like so real. And I did also haul some apples that I got from Ross that look extremely real also. But yeah, I'm going to put those in here. I got this towel, which I thought was really nice, from the Dollar Tree. It says enjoy every moment. I really like this, and I thought that it really went well with this farmhouse look that I'm doing for my outdoor patio table. It's like gray with black and white, and so it kind of blends in. And they had these placemats, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not, but I especially like them because I like the little white flowers here on the side. They remind me, or they kind of mimic the look of the doilies, as you can see that there. So that's why I got these, because I think I'm going to use them as my placemats, but we'll see. Panning around here, I have my galvanized watering tin that you guys saw me haul in another Ross haul, which I will link in the iCards above also. And then guys, if you're ever interested in seeing any of my videos, I always have them linked in the description box, because I have everything categorized by like whatever it is. So if it's a spring tour or a fall tour or shopping hauls or whatever, they're all categorized down below in my description box. But so I did haul that galvanized tin from Ross, and I got these flowers from Walmart not too long ago, and they were on clearance. They're normally $3 per bunch, and they were on clearance for 75 cents. So I was so excited to find those. I got this tablecloth from Aldi the other day when I got our gazebo, and when I got it, I thought I was going to use it for this table, but then I realized, well, we have our umbrella here, so that's not going to work. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, or if I'll find some other place for it. Maybe I'll use it in the house. But at any rate, this tablecloth was $4.99 at Aldi, so I thought that was a great price. So I got that. This is a runner that I got from Target last spring. It's like a linen runner with jute ribbon going around it, and it has like a little sparkle to it. So that's why I like this. Not sure if I'm going to use this or not, but I brought it out here just in case. And then I also am so excited to share with you guys these beautiful linen, and these are Ralph Lauren napkins that linen napkins that I got from the Goodwill. So I have a small thrift haul. I'm not sure if I'm going to show it as a haul or if I'll just, as I decorate with the items, show you guys what I found. But they had these beautiful bright yellow napkins for 49 cents, which I thought was, obviously that's not pricey, but for the Goodwill I thought maybe it was a little bit pricey. But because they were Ralph Lauren and they're in excellent condition, like they look like they've never been used, there's no stains on them at all, that I went ahead and got them. They had 8 of the larger napkins, and then they had 8 of these smaller, like little cocktail napkins. And so yeah, I was so excited to find this. I just love the bright yellow color. I thought it was going to really add a nice pop out here, and I was excited to find it because I was also going to use these lemons. So yeah, it's all like coming together, guys. And I just looked up to it and I see the yellow from my son's table over there, and again, it's all tying together nicely. It's going to look so cute. So you can see the yellow on this table, then the yellow back there. But okay, so I'm gonna put the table together and then I will be back to show you guys the final product. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my back patio space, and I think it turned out so super cute. I'm really excited to have this space cleaned up and just put together so that we can enjoy it. So let me just show you guys around a bit. So I'm starting at the far corner of my porch, and so I have my fern here. Actually, I'll show you guys. That's the gazebo that I bought from Aldi that we'll be putting up, and then our barbecue grill, my husband's sneakers while he was out here barbecuing. But then as we move back around to the porch, we have our deck box there. That is where he stores extra charcoal and stuff for the barbecue grill. And then I put those little plants, little planters that I brought out from my fireplace. Sorry, I was drawing a blank. I just put them here in front of the window, so I think they'd look cute there. And I just put placemats over the deck bench to make it look like a runner. And that's a pillow that I just wrapped with that tablecloth that I showed you guys that I picked up from Aldi. And then I placed that towel from the Dollar Tree on top of it, and then just a napkin on top of that. So I think it looks really cute, just to add a little color on this side to bring everything all together. And then as I pan around here, you can see our bar cart that I showed you guys in my previous video, and it's all set up and ready to go. And then I'll pan back here and show you guys the table, and I think it looks so super cute. I just love the pop of yellow, and the day turned out really nice. It was cloudy and overcast for the most part, the majority of the day, which was fine because we were out here working, so we were not complaining. But the sun is out and it's getting warm out here, but this is perfect for dining on our patio. And as you can see here, each place setting is exactly the same. And so let me pan in a bit so you can see. So I showed you guys all of the items that I was going to be using and just put it all together like so. And one thing I did do is I decided to place our plasticware in a more unconventional way, you know, something that's just kind of fun, because we are eating outside. And these are paper napkins that we will likely use. We will not be using the linen napkins, but I wanted to use them for display. And so yeah, I think everything looks so super cute. I think it really turned out well. I'm just really excited about it. So I'll pan back a bit here so you guys can see the view looking out into the yard. Oh, I still have my lanterns down here that I got from Aldi. I need to figure out where I'm going to put them, so I'll find a space for those. But over here at my toddler's table, so I wanted his table to look, you know, a little bit like the adults' table over here. So the color scheme is very similar, but his table is more kid-friendly. As you can see, the adult table is not really kid-friendly. So for his table, for my son and my niece, they'll be dining here, and I just used a silver charger that I already had, and I put a paper plate on top of the charger, and then that's a yellow plate that I got from the Dollar Tree on top of that. And then the little yellow thing that I have around the cup, those are those cute little like little baskets, I guess, or whatever, that you can get from Target. So I got them from the Target dollar spot during the spring. They were $1 each, and so I'm using it as like a cup holder. So I have their little paper cup inside of that with their fork and spoon, and then the little towel here, they can use it as a napkin, but they also have a napkin inside their cup with their fork and spoon. And it's just a towel that matches the placemats on the other table that says enjoy every moment, and that also matches the towel that I put around the pillow. And so theirs just show the words enjoy. And so I thought that was so super cute. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. I think we're ready for outdoor dining and entertaining. And yeah, it's come together nicely. It's not complete, but it is a great start. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. We have definitely spent this Memorial Day working our buns off. And so now we're going to sit back and relax and enjoy this lovely space and some really good food. And if you guys are interested in seeing my video on the food items that we're having for Memorial Day, well, I'm not sure if I can link that in because that will come later. But anyway, be sure to keep an eye out, because I will be doing a meal video on what we have for Memorial Day dinner. Alrighty guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to click that like button. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And I'm really excited that you stopped by, and I hope that you'll go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so that you will receive an alert as to when I upload new videos. And if you're my faithful family member, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I totally appreciate everything, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.